way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. On some faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't tell you that I was a savage. Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine.
Hi Sunnies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then welcome to my channel. It is Jay back in a video for y'all. Today I'm going to be trying to basically install my 4x4 closure wig and make it a side part is what we're trying to do right now. Yeah, so it's really late right now. It's actually like 4 o'clock in the morning and I am trying to do my hair because I want to go take pictures tomorrow, but I had got off of work and like I wanted to do my hair, so I like showered, ate, and now I'm about to do my hair. I bleached the knots as you guys saw in the clip before. So yeah, what I'm doing right now is basically taking my edge toothbrush and putting some eco gel. I'm using this eco gel right here and this toothbrush to basically like lay my real edges down. I've been like mad concerned about wearing all these wigs and like I don't want my edges to go away, and I've been feeling like my hair has been being pulled, so I'm just trying to make sure my real edges are very much slicked down. So next what I'm doing is putting some GETAWAY on my edges because I'm trying to make them like hard so that they don't get like pulled out. That's what I'm going for. Wow. So this is the hair right here we're working with. It's a curly wig from BLY that is a beauty and love in youth. I did a wig review on it already, so if you haven't seen it, check it out for all of the details on this wig. What I'm doing right now is really just putting it on my head to kind of like see exactly what I need to do because I don't want to mess it up. So I'm just trying to like put it on my head and like measure. I'm trying to make it like a side part, so something like that. I think that'll be really cute. Or do I want the hair going this way? Or do I want it going this way? I honestly don't know how I want to put it just yet, so I'm gonna figure that out. But this is what we're working with so far. Your white horse and a carriage. So now I'm about to use my foundation just to put it in the spot where the closure is. Sometimes I do this and sometimes I don't. Honestly, just feel like scalps are a lot lighter than your actual complexion. So sometimes I just feel like doing this, it makes your scalp like darker.
Good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. On some faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't tell you that I was a savage. Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me.
think this would be super cute. And then I'm gonna pluck it and do a little bit of baby hair. But yeah, I think I want it like that.
Shit was never right. That's the real on the real. Are you serious? How you feel? How you feel? Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I'll give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list.
So I'm using Ghost Bond right now, and I'm gonna do like 2 layers. So this is the first one, and I'm gonna do 1 more layer on top. Since I do plan on being in the sun tomorrow, I need that thing to hold, okay? I'm also gonna insert the pictures that I took at the pool, so you guys can see me slay. What I love about Ghost Bond is it gets super duper like clear and transparent. Cause like it's white, but if you smooth it out enough, then it dries pretty clear, and I love that.
Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't tell you that I was a savage. Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Put on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't tell you that.
What I'm doing right now is taking a comb and just really pressing the lace into the glue, just to make sure it's really on there. But you can see that it's not white. It's pretty clear, so. So next what I'm gonna do is use these razors I bought, and I'm gonna cut the lace. What I love about using these razors versus scissors is that it gets really, really, really close. And you can just cut more and it looks way better.
I was a savage. Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh.
Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. It's very much glued on, very much on there. It's on there. So now that the wig is very much on there, I'm going to take some tweezers and kind of just tweeze my part and play with it and see how I can do it. And I'm also going to do some baby hairs too. Okay, so this is how the part is looking. I tried to do like one of those like curvy parts or whatever and just not make it like straight. So I tried to do that. So now what I'm about to do with the wig is try to do some baby hairs right here. I tried to do one of those like curved parts, and yeah, it's my first time trying that. So I tried to do that, and now what I'm about to do is do some edges right here, some little baby hairs, and that's pretty much going to be the look. I think it's coming together quite nicely, but I have to get these baby hairs to be like on point. So let's go ahead and do the baby hairs.
Ooh, you need me. fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't tell you that I was a savage. Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me. Feel a little more, give a little less. Now you hate the canvas, but baby, who you needed me. You've been rolling around, shit, I roll it up. Let her roll it up. Break it down like a bar, shit would never last. Shit would never last. That's the real on the real, are you serious? How you feel, how you feel? Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I'll give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't tell you that I was a savage. Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. On some faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't tell you that I was a savage. Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You